Welcome everyone to today's vlog. This is the start of this little snowstorm. Came later than expected, but I mean, I guess it's a pretty good, decent pile up for the amount of time it's been snowing. You can see the snowflakes are really giant. It's in cinematic mode right now, so it's like trying to be cinematic. This stuff's slippery. I wish I knew some good spots to do donuts around here around my grandparents' area, but I don't really. At home I do, but not here. But that would be so fun. Still out here, guys. Going up the hill. So we're making a pizza, actually. Welcome to the next vlog. We're gonna go check on it.
You were the one who did the pixel post last night while she was passed out. That was you.
Pretty good, right?
The dress, that was you.
Guilty as
My God, you have put her through hell.
just like she did to me.
This conversation is over. I am telling Remy everything.
I'll tell Remy and the police that you forced yourself onto me.
Are you threatening me? Because if you are, you'll be in more trouble than you are right now.
No, I'm not listening to that.
What are you
Bad actor.
call the police? Huh? Accuse me? After you just told me everything that you're Remy's sister? That this is some warped revenge fantasy?
Not a fantasy.
Gosh, she just threw him down the stairs. Man, I'm supposed to show her somebody threw a guy down the stairs. So stupid. So guys, it's snowing and our grandfather's like, don't say, oh, you guys aren't helping. Because we literally out there with, oh, I can't focus. Short sleeves. Using his bare hands to just, oh my God. It's not focusing, it's making me, is he going out somewhere?
See it?
No, he didn't see him. I'm saying, is he going out? He's getting in.
Oh, he's in the white one?
Mm-hmm. Are we just moving it?
So guys, as I showed earlier, it is super snowy and her grandfather got his bare arm.
He was just, no,
and
he's going,
was pushing all the snow off
or
his
just
Jeep.
pulling it out.
No, he actually just got his arm and just threw it all off. No shovel, no brush.
Short sleeves.
Yep, short sleeves, no gloves.
What's he doing?
Bare hands. Oh jeez, he flew out. I'm honestly surprised that stupid white Jeep starts up.
Yeah.
That thing is junk. No, I can't see him.
Guess he's pulling back in. I really know why.
I was saying something.
So,
I was very mad he couldn't go in snowblow.
oh,
Because he really wanted to.
and
or
then what did he
something.
say?
He just said it wasn't deep enough to actually do
Oh.
it. I don't think it was.
We're riding our bikes in the snow.
It's not that
Trying
bad,
to.
But
Once you slip,
the
you
snow
kind of
is
just...
too thick to actually cut it.
Yeah, so we're trying to ride inside of the tire marks. They really didn't plow much or
I don't
anything.
think at all.
Yeah.
Like, really.
Made us scraped past early, but that's
I know.
it. So, this is bad.
Don't do it.
What?
I would put on that.
Set my phone up? It would be fine.
I know it's windy and wet.
I know.
Wind that makes it so cold.
Careful! Shit! Oh, it's not coming. This is too much. So it's late. We're just chilling in our beds, watching videos.
I don't worry. I'm gonna
And-
add another part anyways because I haven't vlogged a lot today.
Their talking is... It didn't really make sound like someone was
Next part of my
talking,
vlog.
but it was like... It made a little...
It's 11.
Like someone
We were
was
both
trying to
just
come
laying in
through,
bed,
and we're
so
like, oh,
watching
let's grab it.
Videos. And this morning, I think we thought...
Yeah, we heard the same thing. It wasn't even this morning.
I
Wasn't that long
thought
ago?
this morning we were going to put these on. Or just...
Oh, we
earlier
did.
today,
No,
we
yeah,
were
we
gonna put
did.
them on.
It was yesterday, I think.
Oh, right now they're both turned off, and we just heard... Not even the first time, we heard earlier too, remember?
That's what I was saying.
When I
Like,
was
we were
playing-
sitting over there,
Playing on that.
playing Battlefield, and I was watching videos or looking through this
Grandfather's
documents.
laptop.
But yeah, anyway.
We heard it make a beeping sound.
And it was just like the devil itself.
It was just very creepy. It was almost like the devil himself had just possessed the walkie-talkies and made it do that.
And because we picked them up and they're both off. That's the reason we just started filming.
Off.
Because this is when it's on.
Off.
Wait, what? It's not turning on?
Only one of them has battery.
Bro. It was off.
What was that?
Someone-
Isn't that the sound it makes when it's trying to...
Yeah, when someone's coming through.
Like when someone pressed the thing, didn't say anything, didn't let go?
Well, I can't show you guys now because someone's dead.
What was that?
That was it. It's something creepy's happened every night. Yesterday was that church sound.
Which I don't even want to go over again because it basically kept me up for a really long time.
Yeah, we're turning those off. We don't like this.